Here is a 1967 Little Indian mini bike. 3 horsepower brakes. This one's actually an 87, I believe, Briggs & Stratton motor. The original motor is actually over there on that stool. It was a good motor when I first got it. You know, it had good acceleration, good power, but after a while, it just lost power dramatically, and it wouldn't even pull me to after a while. So I just took that off. Kind of angry right now because I went ahead and bought, stickers for it because I thought it would look, presentable, but it turned out to not be such a good purchase. As you can see, I have lots of Briggs engines in my garage right now. Three horses. One of the 3s is on the mini bike. 1 2-horse and 2 5s over there. I'll just walk over. All right. This one came off of a generator. This is the crankshaft. It was tapered, so I had to get an extra one, or a keyed one for it. That one is going to go on my go-kart over there, and I have big plans for that one. Actually, I'm going to put the header on this one since this one has a better connecting rod. This is a 93. That's a 94. 94 has a cheap-looking connecting rod. This one actually has a really good, solid-looking one. Anyway, not to get off topic. Alright, on to the mini bike.